Hello, my name is David FATULA and I am the Director of Technical Services here at Islandstone. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview of installing our Nomad collection, which is a ceramic tile. This video is intended to support our written installation instructions, which are available for download from the resources section of our website, islandstone.com. We recommend our tile products be installed by an experienced professional tile installer who has read and understands these instructions. In addition to the recommendations found in the written instructions, Nomad should be installed in accordance with the specifications found in the current versions of the Tile Council of North America's TCNA Handbook for Ceramic Glass and Stone Tile Installation and the ANSI A108 American National Standards for the installation of ceramic tile. While our ceramic tile is distinctive in appearance, the installation process is consistent with installing that of most ceramic tile. The first step in your project is inspecting your entire order to verify your order accuracy and confirm the tile meets your expectations. Nomad is designed to include moderate to dramatic variation from piece to piece. Therefore, dry laying and blending the entire order either prior to or during installation is required to achieve a visually balanced final installation. The quality of the substrate or surface to which the tile will be bonded is extremely important. Islandstone ceramic tile should only be installed on a substrate that meets the guidelines detailed in the TCNA Handbook and should be bonded using a setting material that is specified for use with a ceramic tile body as well as the intended installation location. Unless specified by the applicable TCNA method, a membrane is not required. However, the use of a membrane may increase the performance and longevity of the installation. Grout color can have a dramatic effect on the appearance of the finished installation. While not the only grout option, we generally recommend using a non-sanded cement grout in a color that is similar to that of the tile. The finished grout joints should be between 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch. Movement joints are essential for a successful finished installation, and placement is project specific, but once again should be done in accordance with the TCNA guidelines. Islandstone ceramic tile should only be cut with a wet saw equipped with a diamond blade designed for cutting ceramic tile or a score and snap style cutting tool. Do not dry cut with a power tool. While Islandstone ceramic tile does not require sealing, if a cement grout is used, the grout may benefit from being sealed. If you do seal the finished installation, follow the sealer manufacturer's directions and always remove excess sealer from the surface of the tile to prevent sealer haze. Properly maintaining your finished installation is as important as the installation process. Tiles should be regularly cleaned with a quality pH-neutral tile and stone cleaner. For heavier buildup such as grease, oil, soap, scum, etc., an alkaline-based cleaner may be used. Acidic or abrasive cleaners may damage the tile and should be avoided. I hope this tutorial helps you confidently install your Islandstone ceramic tile. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Visit us online at islandstone.com. Thank you.